can keep still enough to Lofty reacts. There you go. Yeah. So that's what we were going to do. So now I'm going to walk past with my screaming, whining dog. It's Lofty that triggers it. Lofty went first, she joined in. Did best. Watch Lofty. He's tense. See the tense tail waggle. Correct him, correct him, correct him. He's the one that starts it. So we took both dogs past together then. Go again. Sit. And we're just trying him on the e-collar because his responses are, well, I'll come back to you after I've had a pee or after I've done this, that and the other. So we've used the e-collar on him. We're just conditioning him to it and he's doing very well. See, first time now. Before, when I didn't video it, he was taking about 3 times before he was coming to them. Hey, he thinks he is.
Bigger than you.
So he's doing good now, isn't he?
Yeah.
Do a little jog. Call him. Oh, he's coming. Good boy. Better. So Penny the poodle doesn't like. It's not that she doesn't like. She's not sure when she walks with big dogs or about big dogs. So we've got Giuseppe walking with her. Then I'll come in with my dog. She walked with my dog last week, weekend before.